Hi dear students, today I am coming with a wonderful topic, diary entry. You know, in our 9th class, 8th class and 10th class, especially in 10th class final examination point of view, diary entry has 5 marks. In paper 1, it has appeared nearly 10 out of 7 times. If paper is prepared for 10 times, nearly 7 to 8 times diary entry has appeared in the final examinations. So you know how crucial, how important the diary entry is. Let us study about this diary entry. So diary entry. Diary is nothing but writing. What is writing? Writing, yes, personal reflections. Look at the point number 1, expression of personal reflections. And the second one is expression of personal thoughts and feelings. Whatever the reflections you are having, reflection is nothing but when you look into the mirror, you will see your reflection. Yes or no? Okay, in the same sense, when you just look at yourself, you will see some reflection. For example, you did something this morning today and you are just going to bed now. Before going to bed, if you sit silently, you can remember so many things. Among those things, the important events will be recalled, called back. You will see them again. If you just take a paper and a pen, then even you can put it on the paper. Maybe sentences may be wrong, sentence construction may be up to the mark, but you can write easily your reflections, your thoughts, your past events. So this is a personal reflection. It is not for anyone else, it is for you. Okay, now next point is expression of personal thoughts and feelings. There will be some thoughts among us which came when we met somebody. Usually our brain is such a powerful weapon in the world, which is really greater than even atom bomb. Even it can clean, it can create, it can do anything else in thoughts. So we get sometimes in some thoughts. So we can write those thoughts. Sometimes we feel bad, sometimes we feel great. So we can write those feelings. So expression of personal reflections, expression of personal thoughts, personal feelings, all these are in a diary entry. And also there is one more point, use of variety of sentences will attract the person who is examiner, who is just correcting our papers, so that we can get more and more marks. My dear students, not only to remember our things, our reflections, our thoughts and feelings, but also to have a good marking, in the sense good marks, we have to use variety of sentences, so that the examiner will understand, yes, he had good understanding over the language, he had good command over the language. That is the thinking the person who just value our papers will get. Next point is use of language appropriate to the mood. So when you are in a sad mood, you should write like a sad feeling words. When you are in a happy tone, then you can go with that tone only. When you are in cheerful mood, you can use those type of words. So appropriate, exactly fixing words which are very fit to the situation is very mandatory. Next one, self-criticism and future plans also can be written. You can criticize yourself. Somebody will ask me, what is the meaning of the word criticism? Remarking. Criticism is nothing but remarking. Sometimes even appreciations also can be inculcated with the word criticism. Criticism is also in a positive way, is also in a negative way. Nobody knows better than us. I know myself better than anyone. You know yourself better than anyone. Your father may not know something about you. Your mother may not know something about you, or your brother or your sister, but you yourself, you know better than anyone. That's why your diary reflects the daily data of you. You know data, datum, the plural form of datum is data. Very good. So self-criticism and future plans you can write in your diary entry. Sixth point, point of view. On which point you are writing is mandatory. Point wise writing is also be useful. And there should be finally coherence, coordination from the starting to the end. For example, you are talking about a picnic which you enjoyed today. You should be able to write about the picnic from top to the end. But it is not necessary to write such a huge book. For example, Gandhiji wrote a diary. Every day he wrote a diary, and finally at the end he prepared a book. That book is My Experiments with the Truth. And finally, that book is sold all over the world with so much, enthusiasm and interest. Writing diary for one day is okay. Writing diary for 2 days daily, if it is a hobby, no doubt you will become a successful person even in writing. That's why one day when I was reading a book, My Poems and I, that boy, he was just writing his poems, and also he was drawing some pictures. He was writing poems with the emojis, drawings, and so on. So this is also very crucial thing. Diary entry is just for 5 marks in our 10th class examination point of. We will study about this diary entry a lot more now. Let us see the diary entry. Look at this one. This is the format which we have to present for the examiner. In the question paper, if the question paper consists of the question, write a diary entry, then you have to write like this. Look at the one title, diary entry. Then what did I say? Day, date, time. Day, date, time. So here it is written. Then salutation, dear diary, bracket. There is a bracket and it is written very clearly. Dear diary. So from there are nearly 5 lines here. You can write 5 to 10 to 15 lines also, no problem. But it should be consisted to single paper. If you start there, it should be ending by the end of the paper. No need to continue to the next page. Proceedings are not necessary. So look at this one. Day, date, time, salutation, or dear diary. Somebody are writing D-I-A-R-Y, D-A-I-R-Y. Look at the spelling, D-I-A-R-Y. Diary, dairy. Dairy is nothing but milk dairy. Okay. Diary is different from diary. D-A-I-R-Y, that is also pronounced by us diary. And this diary is also pronounced by us diary. Diary is nothing but the events of everyday writing. Okay. Personal reflection, that is called diary. Salutation is like this, and then we can write the diary so in this manner. How much? Maybe 50 to 100 words you can write. Signature, name of the writer. Somebody will write with this I remain, name or signature. So then it is enough. If you want to take a screenshot, please take the screenshot. It will be no doubt a helpful one to you for that one. For format. Now let us see the different parts of diary entry. Look at this one. Here actually in this diary, it is also taken from internet. I did not write it. So there should be, there should be title, diary entry. There he started dear diary. Before that he has written date 30th July 2019. Time he did not mention. Actually it should have been mentioned. So date, time, it should have been mentioned. Topic written in the first sentence. Before that you can write diary entry, then topic should be there. And look at this one. Look at the arrows around this diary entry. Address, who you are writing to. Dear diary, you are writing to diary. You are just keeping everything in diary. Okay. Write how it made you feel. Where? In the second sentence. Write honestly, that is third sentence. Look at this side only. There you can easily understand. I will take a pencil otherwise. Okay. I am just taking it. Okay. This one. Okay. So my dear friends, look at this one. Using emojis, doodles to convey feelings. Future hopes, all these things are. Okay, future hopes, expectations. Let us see from the beginning. Topic written in the first sentence. 30th July 2019. This is day, date, time. Write how it made you feel, how you felt. Look at this one. Okay. Write honestly. Write honestly. Honestly in the sense sincerely. And there, and then we can go for here. Address who you are writing to. Address who you are writing to. Next one, write in the first person. This is very, very crucial thing. What is the first person? I. I started. I played. I came. I was excited. Okay, na? I am happy. I can do. I will play. I am so and so. I am Sarah. I am married. I am single. I am excited. I am happy. I am sad. I was a player. I played. I danced. I have touched. I touched. Like these sentences, only you have to use in diary entry, first person. Supporting sentences you can take. And there you can see this is the ending one. Sign off to show the end of the entry. At the end of the entry, you see this gap. So gap is here. So in this gap, no need to write anything because this is a changed paragraph. Here somebody will write, with this I remain. Good night. Then in the end, somebody will write name or signature. Informal, casual style of slang. This is not a formal one. So diary entry itself is a informal one. Now let us read this diary. Dear diary, today I started my new job at the ice cream parlor. Oh, this boy started working at the ice cream parlor. I was excited but very nervous at the same time. I hope that my manager and the girls who worked there liked me. Oh, he also liked by some girls. One of the girls who worked there was called Anne. She was awesome. Not sure I liked Sarah. She wasn't very friendly, but she only works 2 days a week. So I want to see her much. There he also used some happy mood expressing what is that emoji. Okay, emojis also can be used. Anyway, a new day tomorrow. Let's hope I can make some tips. Wish me luck. This is a simple diary which can award you nearly 3 to 4 marks. Okay. Now I want to erase this one. Where is the, yes, everything is erased. Now let us see. Let us go to next slide. Before going to this slide, once again, I would like to show you the format. Look at this format. Don't forget to look at this format and copy this format. If it is possible, please write down diary entry. You can put a border around this one. Day, date, time, salutation, signature. This is the proforma. And don't forget here in this area, you can write always I. What is that? I can, I may, I will. Okay. Then after completion of the sentence, full stop. Then you can go with the I. Once again, I like, I play, I read, I excited. Only diary has to be represented. Diary has to represent completely personal feelings. Look at once again diary entry. Expression of personal reflections, expression of personal thoughts and feelings. Use of variety of sentences is to get more and more marks. That's it. Use of language appropriate to the mood. Self-criticism and future plans are necessary. Point of view coherence. So, my dear friends, this is taken from our 10th class textbook only. It is not from anywhere else like net or something like downloading or something like that. It is completely from our 10th class textbook. These 7 points are mandatory to be inculcated while you are writing the diary entry. Okay, shall we go for the next one? So look at the some different tips. I would like to give you different tips for writing diary entry. What are the tips? Tips for writing a diary entry. Since diary entries are like chapters in a book, you first have to decide what your book is going to be about. Somebody will write like a book. Some writers, if you want to become a writer, if you want to become a good narrator in future, storyteller in future, so mandatory to improve your language also, writing a diary is really a wonderful one. It just works well. Brainstorm ideas for your diary. Brainstorming, if you want to know the word meaning, I will tell you. For example, mind mapping, Now, I write the word school. Okay. Now, remember the words related to school. You will be able to write teacher, student, bench. Yes, come on. Come with some other words. Yes, you are right. You will be able to recall nearly 20, 100, 2000 words. At least 200 words you can remember because you are in 10th class. So, that is called mind mapping. This mind mapping is nothing but brainstorming. Brainstorming ideas means sitting silently or in a group activity or in a class. Now it is not possible. So sitting silently, taking a paper and thinking of one incident and writing so many words related to that word or that incident is called brainstorming. Brainstorm ideas for your diary, like whether you want it to be just about you or about a specific topic. Somebody can write some topics also in a diary entry. Once you have a theme, then you can begin. So what you have to do is you have to set the theme. That is very important one. Okay. So let us see points. Date your entries. This is what we have studied. Since your diary will be kept over for a long time, each of your entries should be dated based on when you write them. So diary entry should have a date. Pick a topic. Like chapters in a book, you want your diary entry to have some sort of theme or direction. Is it about what you did today? Is it about an upcoming event? An event that already happened? Try and stay focused when writing. So you can imagine something about your future plan or something. Then also you can write a diary entry. After 2 years, I am going to become like this. I am going to do so and so. So that you can write like that also. So that is also very mandatory thing. Write naturally. This is very crucial and very important one, critical one. Write naturally. Don't feel like your entries need to impress anywhere. Not necessary. First impression is best impression, okay. But if you write, go on naturally, you have your own flow. Somebody will use such a bombastic, such a big words. But it is not necessary. Somebody will use simple words which are very close to the audience, which are very close to the public, which are very close to the students. That's enough. They are just for you. So relax and go for it. Be truthful. Remember, whenever you are writing, don't boast yourself. Just write truthfully. Okay? The worst person to lie, yes, is yourself. So when writing your entry, try and be as honest as you can. Try to be honest. Be friendly. When you are writing, try and write as if you are writing to a friend. How would you tell a story to your best friend? That's how you should be writing about it on your diary. Okay. Now let us go to next one. Next page. Keep writing. What I want to tell you is, wherever you are, if you are making a YouTube videos, keep on making videos. If you are writing, come on, continue writing. Keep on writing. Daily write at least, one diary entry with at least 100 words. Then one day you will have no worries to write the diary entry. This diary entry will improve your skill, will remind you in the future when you are 10th class, what did you do? And all these things will be recalled. For example, if you want to recall something after 20 years, I am sorry, you may not remember. But if you open your diary, you will surely remember with whom you fought on that day, with whom you just had a what is that? Yes, quarrel, or with whom you had a laugh, with whom you had a fight, or how you felt in that class, how your English teacher has told you an appreciation, how did he write corrected, and how did he gave you awarded marks to you. All these things will be remembered. Diary writing, it may take 1 minute or 2 minutes if you practice daily. If you feel like you are at loss for words, just keep writing through it. Feel free to record your train of thoughts. See, train of thoughts, the word is really wonderful word. Train of thoughts, words will come like this. The words will come. Remember those related words which are around that one. Think about why you have hit a wall. Okay, what is getting in the way? Think about what you were writing about and how that could be affecting your entry, and write about the thought process, thinking process. So automatically you can get so many words which you can write with the diary entry. Read your entry. When you completed writing a diary entry, don't just close your book and put it aside. Once you have finished your entry, reread your entry and maybe list some things you hope to focus on in your next entry. So if you are writing today and you want to become a better diary writing person, you just reflect on it. Yes, I should not use this type of sentence. I have to rectify it. Reflect on what you have just wrote. Maybe some new things will come to mind that you can jot down before you put your diary down. So before you close your diary, you may add few sentences to those things. Okay, my dear friends, let us see the last point. Make it a habit. If you want to become a good diary writer, good writer, you can just make it a habit. Okay, so a hobby will just make you feel better. Writing hobby is a wonderful one. Writing even online, writing even in your mobile, or writing in somewhere else is also a crucial one. Okay, the more frequently you write entries in your diary, the more you will enjoy doing it. If you write daily, you will enjoy it. If you eat daily the neem leaves, automatically after 20 days, 30 days, you will love those. What are they? Neem leaves. And the more you will learn from them also. Set a certain time during the day that you want to write in your diary, and try to keep that schedule. If you are writing your diary before going to bed, come on, continue that one. Just to open your diary before going to bed, write down daily, keep that schedule forever. Daily, don't keep. For example, you are working out in the morning around 7:30. Don't forget, daily do that workout. Automatically after 2 or 3 years, your muscles will be strong. You will be strong. Like that, if you write daily, this diary entry, automatically you will be proficient. The more you practice writing diary entries, the better you will become at the end. Yes, you will become a wonderful diary writer. My dear friends, I want to tell you, don't focus on so many things. Just focus on single thing. If you love to write diary entries, I don't know, one day in future you will become the best diary writer. I don't know, you will get more opportunities with those things. That's why I tell repeatedly this sentence: Jack of all trades, master of none. If you practice one skill, that skill will take you to somewhere else. You can become expert in that skill. Expert. Your brain just makes you something different. Innovative thoughts will come. You will become such a wonderful diary writer. The more you practice writing diary entries, the better you will become at it. Now that you have read these tips, create your diary. Practice makes perfect. So start practicing your writing today. All the best. Just before going to that one, just I would like to show you the pattern of diary writing once again. Look at this one. Look at this one. What is this? Diary entry pro forma. You have to go through like this only. If you write like this, in the examination point of view, with these points, remembering, you will get better marks than your friends, better marks than which you are expecting. For example, you are expecting 4, you will get 4.5. If you are expecting 4.5 and practicing for so many days, then surely you will get 5 out of 5. Okay, anyway, let us see once again this diary entry format. Then we will close. Let us meet in the next session. Bye. See you.